Chapter 14. I'm going to talk about acids and bases. Sour candy, really, really popular. Sour Patch Kids and all sorts of other extreme sour things. My kids love it. I can't stand it. How do they make it so sour? It's acid. Now, not the acid like the drug, that people get addicted to. It's an acid such as tartaric acid. It's a naturally occurring organic acid, and they put that on. That's what's in that sugary coating on the outside, and that's where all the sourness is. Acids, our bodies interpret as being very sour. Other acidic foods are things like citrus, lemons, limes, oranges. They all have acid in them. Vinegar is a dilute solution of acetic acid. Tomatoes have acid. Sourdough bread has acid in it. Acids combine with saliva in your mouth and make hydrogen ions. The hydrogen ions then react with the protein molecules in your tongue, your taste buds, and send an electrical signal to your brain that you interpret as a sour taste. And, this is a little girl tasting a lemon, and your body just kind of does that. What's really funny about babies is if you give them a lemon, they'll suck on it, and they'll make that horrible face, and then they'll do it again. And they'll do it again, and again, and again. I don't know. As an adult, we're like, no, thank you.